You put the camera here.
Yeah.
This is one olive. You gotta look at that.
Yeah.
Olives, you know, you can make your oil with it. You know, you can heat it. It's good for your bowels. It's good for everything, guys. Come on, come on. Let's
Yeah.
get your olives, man. Come on, no messing about it.
A lot of these tree in this country here.
Yes,
They
lots of olive tree.
Yeah, they produce a lot of olives here.
Yes.
Wow. All right, let's go to the market.
Yes, market.
See what ICMELER market is all about.
See the market there now?
Yes, I see the market up there. Oh, nice bougainvillea here. Oh. Look like we come late for the market. Huh? Wow. Hello.
Hello.
Hey, so hot here. This country is very hot.
Nereden geldiniz?
No English?
Türkçe biliyor musun?
English? Yeah. All right. Yep. Okay. Okay, this is the market. Oh. What? All kind of season. Whoa. A lot of peppers. Oh, these are cucumber. Oh. Oh, these are. Got this Peach are so cheap here. Huh? English? You don't think English? Beautiful. Okay. Need some. How much?
18 lira.
80 lira?
Yeterdi.
Huh?
Tamam mı?
No, too much. That's too much.
Yok mu?
Yok.
Nevzat dedi.
That's okay. Yes.
Başka incir.
Huh?
İncir.
This is what? What is that?
İncir.
No, I don't know it.
Felix mi? Fix mi? Fix.
Figs. Oh, figs. Okay. I never eat it yet. It's nice.
Güzel.
Huh?
One paket verin mi? Allah güzel.
No, no, no. They barely speak English. 70? Okay.
Dolaşmaya çıktım uykum geldi. Hadi dedim.
Huh? Yes.
Bak 1 kilo.
Uh-huh.
Bu 7 lira.
7 lira. Okay, I buy some peach here. This is 70 lira. Wow. But this plum is for 40. And the apple is for 30.
Her şeyi ben memleketimde oturuyorum. Ananın yanında, ananın yanında.
Hi. English? No English.
Turkish.
Turkish.
Elhamdülillah.
Umbrella.
Adın ne?
Huh?
What is your name? Adın? Muhammed mi?
Divan.
Divan.
Yes.
Güzel.
Yes.
Otel?
Hotel. Yeah.
Hangi otel? İçmeler?
ICMELER. Yeah.
Otelin adı ne?
Eh.
Adı? Biz Turkish konuşmak.
Yeah.
No İngiliz, no şey.
No English.
Biz Turkish.
Turkish. Okay. All right.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Hi. Wow, it's so nice here, but it's hot. Eh? No English. Oh God. Allah.
Karışık kokla bak kızım. O mu acı? Bak dedim ben de sabahla hangi canlı kızım? 20 lira.
They speak very little English in the market here. Wow.
Hello.
Hello. You get all the different sweets here and peanuts. Wow. Almonds. You speak English?
Little.
Little. Oh, okay. This is raw.
Roasted.
All roasted. Everything here is roasted.
No, this is no roasted.
Oh, this is not roasted.
Yes, this is not roasted.
Okay.
Not roasted.
Over here is not roasted.
Yes.
Okay. And how you sell it?
Kilo.
Kilo. How much a kilo?
500. Almond. 600. 500.
Uh-huh.
Same. 600.
Okay, okay.
Kilo price.
Kilo price.
You can buy small.
You can buy small?
Yes.
Like how much?
100 gram, 200 gram, half kilo. How many you need?
Just a little amount.
Okay. Almond. Almond, yes?
No. This one is raw, right?
No roasted.
Yeah?
No roasted.
This roasted?
No roasted.
Raw.
This is roasted.
Oh. Give me this one.
Okay.
Mhm.
This size good?
Yes. That's how much?
Look.
Okay.
Yes. 100 lira.
100 lira.
Yes.
Okay, all
200
right.
gram.
How much is that?
200 gram.
200 gram.
Yes.
Okay.
Merhaba.
All right.
4 lira. Kilogram.
100 lira.
Okay?
Yep. Okay, so this is 100.
Yes, please.
Yep. Thank you, my friend.
Thank you.
Okay. Wow. Onion. Oh, cherry for 100 lira. That plum is for 100 lira. Wow. Pecan. Hi. $15 lira for the melon. One melon is for 15 lira, or one melon? One melon?
Oh, yeah, 1 melon to 15 there.
One melon? Kilogram.
Oh, kilogram.
Kilogram. Okay.
Kilogram,
Okay.
Oh, they would have said what about it? What about it?
Yeah. Hey. Hey. Wow. Sweet potato. This is what?
25
Huh? This is what? Melon?
kilo.
No, it's melon. Oh. First I see that melon.
Very hot, yes. It's really, really hot here.
Oh.
Right to the end. This is the end of it. The end line.
Hello. Yeah, what's up? You all right? Okay. It's hot. Yeah, very hot. Next week is? Really? What? What? To the 42, 45. Wow. Uh-huh. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Huh? Oh, pancakes. Oh. Okay, hi. Oh, you make pancakes. Oh. Huh? Very nice. Okay. Yeah, get some stuff here, you know.